Welcome, dear students. I am Neha Yadwanshi, your computer teacher. In the previous video, we have learned about advanced feature of Paint. In this video, we will learn about how to open Notepad and role of Notepad for creating a document containing text. Now, let us see the steps how to open Notepad. You can see this one arrow. Yes, this arrow is called mouse pointer. Now, I want to open Notepad. So, how to open Notepad? Place this mouse pointer on the start button. Now once click on that, a menu appears. Then click on all programs. Then click on accessories. You can see the option of accessory. Now click on that. Now you can see here is the option of Notepad. Now click on that. After clicking on that, you can see the Notepad window appears. This blank window represent a blank sheet on which you can write. ये जो blank window दिख रही है बच्चों, ये आपको एक blank sheet represent कर रही है जिस पे आप लिख सकते हैं. This blank window represent a blank sheet on which you can write. And the cursor blinking on the top left side of the screen, you can see that represent a text that you will type will be inserted here. For example, I am typing few lines about Notepad. Like Notepad is a basic text editor that can be used for creating and editing document containing only text. Now I want to start new paragraph. So press the enter key to move the cursor to the next line. Notepad stores files in a text format. Suppose we have typed some letters by mistake, so we can use backspace key to remove that letter, or delete key to delete any letter. We have typed some text, so I want to save my document for future reference or future use. So we will save the document. If we will not save, so what will happen? It will be lost. So we should save the document. To save the document, click the file menu, then click the save as option. You can see. Now click on that save as option. After clicking on that, save as dialog box appears. Now select the location where you want to save the file. From the left pan of the dialog box, you can see this is the left pan of the dialog box. You can select the location where you want to save your document. And after selecting the location, here you can see file name text box. Now type the name of the file, class 3. Now after typing, click on save button. So your document will be saved for future use. Now I want to create a new document. So to create a new document, click the file menu. Now click on new option. So when you click on new option, a new blank document appears. Suppose if you are already working on a document and you want to create a new document, Notepad will ask you to save it before creating a new document. Now you can see here Notepad is asking to save the document. If you want to save, then click on save button. If you don't want to save, so click on don't save. If you want to go back to the document, then click on cancel button. Now we will learn how to open an existing document. So click on file menu. When you click on file menu, you can see the option of open. Now click on that open option. So the open dialog box appears. You can see here this is a open dialog box. Now select the location of your file from the left pane of the dialog box. You can select the location. Now select the file that you want to open. Yes, class 3 that we want to open. Now open. Click on open. Now we learned how to open an existing document. I want to change the look of my text. How can I change? Yes, we can change the look of text by formatting of text. What is formatting? Changing the look of text is known as formatting. You can see here the format menu. Now click on that format menu. And after clicking on that, you can see here the font option. Now click on that font option. Font dialog box appears. Yes, in this font dialog box, you can select the desired font from the font list box. You can change any font and you can see how the text will appear in a sample frame. Now you can select the font style also. Here you can see the sample frame. It will show the font style as well as font size also. You can select a regular to keep your text normal, or you can select bold to make the text bold, or you can select the option of oblique to make the text italic, and you can also select bold oblique to make the text bold as well as italic, and you can select the font size also from the size list box, and after that click on OK button. Your font will be changed or your font look will be changed. Now I want a hard copy of my document. How we can take? When we have finished our work, we can take the printout of our document. To print a document, click the file menu. You can see here the print option. Now click on that print option, and after clicking on that, print dialog box appears. You can see, and after that you have to select the printer. Select the desired printer and afterwards select the number of copies or enter the number of copies. Then click the print button. Here hard copy or printout will come. Now how to exit Notepad? Click the file menu, then click on exit option, or you can click the close button on the right corner of the title bar. Yes, this is called a title bar. You know na, this is title bar. You can click on close button also to exit. Now your desktop appears. Suppose if you have not saved your most recent changes, means आपने अभी जो changes किए हैं उसे save नहीं किया है, then Notepad will ask you to save them. Click the save button to save the changes and click the don't save to reject the changes. If you don't want to save, then click on don't save button, and if you want to return to the Notepad, click the cancel button. And we have some shortcut keys also to do the same operation. You can see here keyboard shortcuts. If I want to save a document, we can use a keyboard shortcut key also. So when we press Ctrl plus S, so our document will be saved. And there is another way to create a new document by keyboard shortcut key. You can press Ctrl plus N to create a new document. And to open an existing document, press Ctrl plus O key. And to print a document, press Ctrl plus P key on the keyboard. Now what we have learned today? We have learned about how to open Notepad and how to save the document in Notepad and create a new document, and how to open an existing document, and how to take printout. This is what we have learned today. Now do the practice of Notepad at your home. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care of yourself.